And finally, Nagumomu Nagma ప్రస్తుతం ఫోన్ లైన్ లో అందుబాటులోకి వచ్చారు. Nagma, wish you a very happy birthday.
Thank you so much. God bless you all and all the viewers who are watching this channel. I wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So, how is your career going, Nagma? We haven't seen you much on the Telugu screen in a long time. Are you planning to come back soon?
Unless it's not a very good project, I'll definitely come back because I was in the main rung competition and if I just have to do one-off film, it should be like something very, very exceptionally good.
So overall, Nagma, if you look back at your career, what's the one project or one language in which you've acted that's given you a lot of fulfillment?
See, language is a mode of emotion and explanation, but I think it's the bond between me and the people. Language doesn't really matter, and of course after Hindi I started my first film in Telugu simultaneously. So Telugu is also very special to me, but I've had many hits and major films I've worked in, and I've enjoyed working in each and every film. We've been major big projects and it's been an enjoyable experience in every language. I've worked in 9 different languages,
right.
Over 100 movies. So God has been kind. Now also I'm doing a lot of Bhojpuri movies. I'm also aligned with the Congress party. Since the past 7 years I'm the star campaigner. So I have been busy with other things as well.
సో మొత్తం మీద మిమ్మల్ని భోజ్పురిలో మాధురి దీక్షిత్ అన్న బిరుదు మీకు ఇచ్చారు నగ్మ, మీరు ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతారు దాని పట్ల?
చాలా బాగుంది. దానికి ఒక ఐ వుడ్ బి మోర్ హ్యాపీయర్ ఇఫ్ పీపుల్ కాల్ మీ నగ్మా, బట్ దట్స్ ఆల్సో అ కాంప్లిమెంట్ బికాస్ షీ ఈస్ వెరీ వెల్ నోన్ ఫర్ హర్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ టాలెంట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో డాన్స్. సో ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ అ కాంప్లిమెంట్.
అండ్ దక్షిణాది రాష్ట్రాల్లో మీకు గుడి కట్టుకునే అంత అభిమానుల్ని సంపాదించుకున్నారు. మీరు ఎలా స్పందిస్తారు యూజువలీ మీరు వెన్ యూ కమ్ టు ద సదర్న్ స్టేట్స్?
Yeah, I feel good because people have given me a lot of love and respect for whatever I've done, and people have given me a lot of adulation, which also gives the responsibility. And I think now it still is in our family because my sister Jyotika had carried on the same thing, and then now she's married to Surya. So I think somewhere or the other that link is there.
Right. అండ్ జ్యోతిక నటించిన సినిమాలు చూస్తే మీకేమనిపిస్తుంటుంది నగ్మా? మీరు అంటే ఇద్దరు డిఫరెంట్ స్టైల్స్ ని ఎంచుకున్నారు ఇద్దరు. షీఈస్ చోజన్ a little more.
True, because she's I was more into glamour and she was more into different kind of movie making, because the time when I was there things were different, the time when she was there things were different, and people appreciated her for a different kind of cinema, people appreciated me for a different kind of cinema. But basically I was right on the number one because you know how it is like, all True. Actresses. So I think I'm very happy for her. I'm very happy for myself as well, because we both got a very good share and we've got our share of adulation from the people.
అండ్ చెల్లెలు పెళ్లి చేసుకుని స్థిరపడ్డారు. మీ గురించి కూడా చాలా మధ్యలో చాలా పుకార్లు వచ్చాయి మీరు పెళ్లి చేసుకోబోతున్నారని చెప్పి. మీరు ఎలా స్పందిస్తారు ఆ పుకార్ల పట్ల?
See, because we are in the film industry, rumors are always there and they are bound to happen. Everybody, I can understand my fans are very excited that they want me to get married. But the thing is that, marriages are made in heaven, and when it is the right time, it will happen.
So, marriages are made in heaven. So, are you waiting for a call from heaven to
I am sure everyone is, even you are, if you are not married.
I'm sure we'll all look forward to the day, when we see you getting married and settling down, Nagma. But ప్రస్తుతం ఈ సమయాన్ని ఏ విధంగా మీరు కేటాయిస్తారు? రాజకీయాలు, సినిమాలు ఒకవైపు, మరోవైపు ఆర్ట్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ కూడా మీరు టేకప్ చేశారు.
Yes, I mean it's all going on, and politics is a long drawn procedure, and I'm more like a worker and AICC member of the Congress party, and I'm also their star campaigner. So that is something that is already which is happening, but that's a long drawn process, and films will keep happening because that is what I'm recognized by. So definitely some good projects I will continue to keep doing.
And Nagma, Namrata Sadhana, Nandita Murarji, Nagma, వీటిలో ఏ పేరుతో పిలిపించుకోవడం మీకు చాలా ఇష్టం?
Actually it's not Namrata Sadhana, it is Nandita, and of course, I like to be called Nagma because everybody knows me as Nagma.
Right.
So that is that's a good name, and people recognize me and understand me by that name.
And just a few more questions, Nagma. I know మీ అభిమానులు చాలా మంది వెయిట్ చేస్తారు, బట్ అమ్మ ముస్లిం అండ్ నాన్నగారు హిందూ, మీరు పుట్టింది క్రిస్మస్ డే రోజున. సో మీ జీవితం సర్వమత సమ్మేళనం అనిపిస్తోంది, మీరేమంటారు?
I think it's a lovely experience because you get to see the best of everything in life, and since I'm born in on Christmas, so definitely I have a very close bond and feeling towards Jesus Christ, because I was born on his birthday. So since a child I feel a very strong bond, and of course my parents